How to fix iPhone home button not working. First thing you can do is you want to take your phone to the nearest phone repair shop to repair what's going on your phone. Next method is to force restart your iPhone. Before we start, make sure that your iPhone unlock or iTunes and App Store is turned on. Let's go to the settings, Touch ID and passcode and check it. After checking it all, you want to go to the home screen and you want to first start your iPhone by tapping on the volume button upwards once, down button once, and then tapping on the power button until your phone gets turned off. Turn your phone on and it might work. If it still doesn't work, you want to go to the settings of your phone. Then here you want to tap on General, you want to scroll down and tap on Shutdown. Then slide to power off and turn it back on again. Now enter the password and it might work for you. And if it still doesn't work, last thing you can do is add assistive touch on your screen. It can be done by opening settings, going to accessibility and then tapping on touch. Then turning on assistive touch, which will bring this button on your screen. This button works as the home button with many other functions. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.